Good morning. Myself K.D. Borse sir, biology teacher, Kamala Nehru Kanya Junior College, Nandurbar. Today we are going to study first 12th syllabus biology chapter known as reproduction in lower and higher plants. During this lecture we are learn some concepts like reproduction, asexual reproduction and vegetative reproduction. Now the first concept is reproduction, means it is one of the most important process in which production of young ones like parent called as reproduction. It is one of the most important process because reproduction maintain continuity of life. Some significance of reproduction is noted here. Number one, reproduction is an essential process as it leads to continuation of species. Reproduction maintain the continuity of life. Each organism has own particular method of reproduction. Reproduction transfer genetic material from parent to their offspring, maintain species in the population. Now, reproduction consists of two main methods like asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction means do not formation and fusion of gametes, and sexual reproduction formation and fusion of gametes. No doubt both processes produce new young ones, but in asexual reproduction only one parent involved. Sexual reproduction, two parent involved. We are detailed study asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction means it is one of the type of reproduction in which does not involve fusion of two compatible gametes or sex cells, called as asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction significantly, number one, in this process parent produce genetically identical progeny or offsprings, involve only one parent, inherit the genes from parent to their progeny or child, morphologically and genetically identical individual like parent are called as clone. Clone means exact copy of parent. What is clone? Define clone like questions. Different organisms choose reproduction asexually by different modes of ways like fragmentation, budding, spore formation. Also some methods like binary fission, conidia formation, gemuli formation. First, fragmentation. It is one of the type of asexual reproduction in which multicellular organism can break into fragments due to one or other regions. These fragments grow into new individual shown in the Spirogyra See the figure. Daughter Spirogyra fragmented pieces. Each fragment is developed into self or individual Spirogyra. Means fragmentation produce asexual reproduction. Budding is also one of the type of asexual reproduction, in which one of the most example is yeast fungus show budding type of reproduction. Parent body develop small bud. Each bud, when it's separate, develop new individual. This figure is mother body here, one of the cell, unicellular yeast fungus develop some buds like 1, 2, 3. Each bud, when it is separate into new yeast fungus individual. Now the third concept is known as spore formation. It is also one of the type of asexual reproduction. Occurs by flagellated motile zoospore, which can grow independently into new individual. Example, Chlamydomonas show spore formation type of asexual reproduction. Here see the figure, zoospore in Chlamydomonas. Some types of asexual reproduction include binary fission, in that parent body divide into two parts. Each parts cut into single, separate, fully new organisms. Example, amoeba divide into two parts. Each part develop a single amoeba. Like this, Paramecium, a single body, constrict into two parts. Each part develop a single organism. Means binary fission is also one of the asexual reproduction. Conidia formation show in Penicillium fungi. Formation of non-motile asexual spores or conidia. Penicillium is fungi multiplies repeatedly by this method. Now, gemuli formation is also one of the type of asexual reproduction. Show sponges. In sponges, show formation of gemuli takes place by aggregation of archaeocytes. During favorable condition, gemuli hatch, develop into new individual. All these are different types of asexual reproduction methods. Now the next concept is vegetative reproduction. Vegetative reproduction is also one of the asexual reproduction, in which parent produce asexually through their vegetative parts like stem, root and leaves, called as vegetative reproduction. Vegetative reproduction significantly different points, like vegetative reproduction is purely a sexual method. Reproduction takes place through vegetative plant part like stem, leaves and root. Produced plant are identical to their parent plant because it is a sexual reproduction method. Artificially vegetative reproduction method are useful in agriculture and horticulture. Nowadays, various methods of artificial vegetative reproductions like cutting, grafting, tissue culture. The first one is cutting small piece of any vegetative part of the plant like stem, root or leaves having one or more buds used as propagation. Example, stem cutting is one of the cutting method. Rose bougainvillea propagated by cutting method. Here figure rose, here figure bougainvillea. Leaf cutting is also one of the artificial vegetative propagation. Example, sansevieria show leaf vegetative propagation. Root cutting blackberry. Here the figure show blackberry roots are vegetative propagated organ. Stem cutting, leaf cutting, root cutting are the cutting type of artificial vegetative reproduction. Second artificial vegetative reproduction is grafting. What is grafting? The technique in which joining of two different plant parts grow as one plant, or joining of two plant parts are called as grafting. Grafting consists of two terms, stalk and science. Rooted part called as stalk, jointed part called as scion. Here this one is rooted part known as stalk, and this one is jointed part known as scion. Scion are joined with stalk to form a complete one plant. Bud grafting is also one of the grafting process known as budding, called as bud grafting, in which only one bud is jointed on the stalk. Grafting is applied by apples, pears, roses. Tissue culture is one of the type of artificial vegetative propagation. It is method by which small amount of plant tissue is carefully grow into many plantlets. Micropropagation is modern technique. Get many plant by tissue culture is used nowadays. Here a complete plant use small part convert into callus, callus take into nutrient medium, then it develop into complete new plant. The completed topic during this lecture, we are learn the term like reproduction, asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, fragmentation, budding, spore formation. Also some methods like binary fission, conidia formation, Gemuli formation. Asexual reproduction, artificially cutting, grafting and tissue cultures are complete study here. In this lecture, some exercises, questions like what is reproduction or defined reproduction, significance of reproduction, define sexual reproduction, define asexual reproduction, what is clone, define vegetative reproduction, what are the importance of vegetative reproduction. Like these questions solve during the lecture. If you like the video, you can subscribe my channel, tap bell icon and like the video. Thank you.